Hi, it's time for another Grayson. A Grayson is a little scoop on God's grace. It's a short devotional that I've written. And this is Grayson number 14, and it's entitled Balance. And it reads like this. Hi friends, I just wanted to take a few moments to encourage you to live a balanced Christian life. A life by enjoying God's grace, yet at the same time doing your part to serve Him and prove your love for Him. After all, the Christian life is not a walk in the park. He's done His part, now it's up to you to do your part. So work hard and watch out. Stop! Stop it! Mr. Law, what are you doing at my computer? Get away from there. I don't want you infecting my friends with your mixture of law and grace. I think you should leave and let me talk to my friends. Now go. Sorry guys, I turned my back for a minute and there goes Mr. Law trying to sneak in his message of mixture again. I kind of feel like Paul must have felt when he heard about the mixed message his friends at Galatia were falling for. He called it a false gospel. Basically, the message they were hearing was, be thankful that you have received forgiveness through Jesus, but now here's the things you should be doing to live a righteous life before God. What hogwash. You know, there was a time when I wouldn't have thought anything of what Mr. Law was just saying. As a Christian, I was very thankful for what Jesus had done for me, and I felt it was only my part to prove my love for Him by serving Him with all my heart. It sounds so spiritual and honorable, doesn't it? But you know what? It never seemed to arrive. I go crazy with doing my Jesus stuff, even asking Him to help me, but it was never enough. There was always another event, project, responsibility to take on in an attempt to honor Jesus. It was a balancing act that never worked. Paul, when writing to the Galatians, was reminding them that their newfound life of freedom and identity had nothing to do with any self-effort or religious duties that they might carry out. It was all Jesus and nothing but Jesus. They were failing to recognize that as new creations, Jesus had become their very life. It was not their job to try and live the Christian life. It was Jesus' desire to live His life in and through them. All they had to do was simply believe. Today, it is quite common for people to be caught up in a Christian religion which is saturated with the message and branded with the mark of an old and new covenant mixture. Man's duty and God's provision. The equation looks like this. Jesus' work plus my work equals a balanced Christian life. The message that Paul was getting across to the Galatians was Jesus plus anything equals a false gospel. Jesus plus nothing equals everything.